In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals in one lower key. We have 1/6, 1/8, and 1/9. 1 is for horizontal, 6 is for dot, 8 right falling or person, and 9 is left falling. Okay, so let's begin with 1/6. 1/6, the first character. You can see the left hand side we have wood, which is 4 crust and 8. So it's 4/8. 4/8 is at 4 lower. And right hand side is a radical which begins in horizontal 1 and end with dot 6. So the radical on the right hand side is 1/6. 1/6 is at 1 lower and space, the first one. Okay, continue. Let's take a look at the frame. The outer frame is 2/5 left turn and right turn. So that's the frame 2/5. 2/5 is at 2 middle. Okay, so the rest we have 1 horizontal and dot dot. So begins with 1 horizontal and with 6 dots. So we pick 1/6. 1/6 is at 1 lower. So we hit 1 lower key and space, the first one. Okay, continue the left upper. You can see this radical begins with 1 horizontal and end with 6 dots. So this radical is also 1/6. 1/6 is at 1 lower, so we hit 1 lower key. And on the right hand side, 3 strokes, and they all are left falling. So begins with 9, end with 9. So this radical is 9/9. 9/9 is at 9 lower. Continue left lower is 4/8 that we have this one in the first character, so 4/8 is at 4 lower. Okay, so we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 2/6. 2 left turn. Oh, here. This one, 2 left turn and 6 dot. 2/6 is at 2 lower and space. Okay. Continue, you can see the upper here begins with 1 horizontal and with this dot. So this is also 1/6. The upper radical 1/6. So we hit 1 lower. And the rest we have heart here. Heart begins with 6 dot and with 6 dot. So heart is 6/6. 6/6 is at 6 lower. So we hit 6 lower and space. Okay, the last one of 1/6 is this upper one begins with 1 horizontal, and then we have 2 left turn and end with 6 dot. So this upper radical is also 1/6, so we hit 1 lower key. And the rest, this one, it begins with 7 lid, it's outside. And this is exception because usually some people just write it like the horizontal. So we put this as an exception. So this we consider as 1. So this radical here is 7/1. 7/1 is at 7 upper and space, the second one. All right, continue as 1/8. The first 1/8 radical is right here. Begins with 1 horizontal and this person 8. So 1/8 is the radical here. So if you would like to type this character, you type the first stroke 1 horizontal, which is at 1 middle. And then the rest is the radical 1/8, which is 1 lower key. So we hit 1 lower and space. Continue the left hand side. We have 2 strokes of horizontal, 1 1, and end with this person. So this one is also on the left hand side is also 1/8. So we hit 1 lower And then on the right hand side, you have this character. This one is exception. We put it at 7 middle, so we hit 7 middle. And at last, these two strokes with the hook here, these two strokes, this radical is also the fundamental key, fundamental radical. So this is 2 as left turn, so we hit 2 middle and space. Okay, continue the next one. You can see the upper, we have 3 horizontal and with person, so this radical is also 1/8. 1/8 is at 1 lower. And the rest you can see is a square outside and 1 horizontal in. So this radical is 0, 1. 0 on is at 0 upper. So we hit 0 upper and space. First one. Okay, and the last one. This one itself is a radical. It begins with 1 horizontal and end with 2 dots, 8. So this one is 1/8. So we hit 1 lower key and space the fourth one. Alright, continue. Is 1, 9. 1 horizontal, 9 as left falling. Okay, so the first one, 1 horizontal, 9 left falling, 1, 9. We hit 1 lower key. Continue this left falling, so we hit the fundamental 9 middle. And then this square and the 1 inside, I explained this here. So the same, we hit 0 upper. And the last one, you can see, begins with 3 vertical and end with 8. Oops. I'll type it again. Okay, 3 vertical and 8 on both sides. So this radical is 3/8. 3/8 is at 3 lower. Alright. The next one, 1, 9, you can see 1 horizontal and 9 right here, left falling. So we hit 1 lower first. And then we have a square, so this fundamental key, 0, middle, and space. The first one. Alright, next one, the first stroke is 9, so we hit 9 left falling, 9 middle. And then the middle is the 1, 9 radical, so 1, 1, 9. And 1, 9 is at 1 lower. And last is this one. This one is exception. We put it 7 middle, so we hit 7 middle and space. Okay, the last one. Last one begins with this frame. So this frame begins with 9 and continue. We have 3, 1, 1, and 5, 1, 1. So begins with 9. Left falling and with 1 horizontal. So the radical of the frame right here is 9, 1. 9, 1 is at 9 upper. And then the middle, this radical is 1, 9 because it begins with 1. And continue, we have this 5 as right turn. And the last stroke is 9. So the middle, the radical in the middle is 1, 9. So we hit 1 lower. Continue this horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. And last is the 8 at the bottom, 8 fundamental key, so we hit 8 middle and space, the first one. Alright, that's all the radicals for 1 lower key. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.